Hi friends, my name is Emily. I'm an educator here at COSI, and today we are going to be talking about different tools scientists use. So one really cool tool that they use is a microscope. So there are a lot of things here in this world that we cannot see just with our eyes alone. We have to look at them really, really up close. And that's when we can use a microscope that lets us look at things maybe we couldn't normally see up close, or maybe things we can see, but then we can see them in a little bit more detail, like my hair. So to start off, I have some pictures here, and I want you to see if you can figure out what these are a really zoomed in picture of. Ready? All right, we have this right here. It is blood cells. All right, I'll give you another chance here. Let's look at this picture. What do you think this is a microscopic image of? It is hair. All right, last one. Let's try this. Take a guess. It is actually the surface of your teeth, but with plaque. So if this grosses you out, that's why it's a good idea to brush your teeth. So we actually have a microscope right here, and we can use it and we can look at maybe different parts of our body and different parts of the world around us. So if you just look at my finger here, you can see that my fingers are there. You can see the skin. But if we look at it under a microscope, maybe we'll be able to see in a little bit more detail. So if I focus here, you can actually see the ridges of my finger in my fingerprint. Or maybe we'll take a look at my sweatshirt right here. If we hold it up, we can see how that fabric looks, how it's knitted together. So those are just some of the things that you can see with the microscope. If you have a microscope at home or even a magnifying glass, I encourage you to look at objects around your house, objects in the world around you, and write it down in a journal.